I remember as a kid the first time that I saw one of those cars, and it triggered one special feeling that immediately started a fire in my heart. And that fire is still burning as hell. Maybe this is the best Italian roadster of all time. One unique, astonishing and mind-blowing cruiser which will leave a mark in the book of automotive history. The Alfa Romeo Spider, it's not a car. It's a tool for making you feel special. It is something that you should drive through the French Riviera on your way to Casino Monte Carlo. The look of this car will leave you speechless. When you are driving this piece of art, you are feeling the passion and the love of the good old times with enormous amount of nostalgia. But having the steering wheel on your hands, well, it's like a time machine. It brings you back in those glorious times, somewhere back in the late 70s. And you are surrounded by simplicity, perfection and the smell of lumpy petrol, and this is a feeling that can change your life forever. You see, every car is made with purpose, and the purpose of this one is to bring joy in your life. That's all.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.